Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking Art. Today we are going to prepare prawns dum biryani. So, without any delay, let's get started. Ingredients required for marination: dhania powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 1/2 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon, green chilies 3, coriander leaves 1 cup, mint leaves 1 cup, black pepper 1/2 teaspoon, curd 3/4 grams of prawns weight, bay leaf, shahi jeera, ilachi, mace, star anise, cloves. Take prawns 300 grams, wash it properly and add ginger garlic paste, green chilies, turmeric, red chili and salt. Add black pepper, add dhania powder, add all the spices. Mix it properly. Now add chopped coriander leaves, chopped mint leaves and mix it properly. Now add curd. I am taking 3/4 of the prawns weight. That means 300 grams prawns weight. To this I am adding 225 grams of curd. Mix it properly so that the curd is mixed well with the prawns and the spices. After mixing it properly, add lemon juice, half lemon juice. Once again give a nice mix and marinate it for 1 hour. Take 450 grams of basmati rice, wash it properly and soak it. For the preparation of biryani, half cup coriander and mint leaves, lemon juice, 2 tablespoon milk mixed with color, salt, 2 chopped onions, bay leaf, shahi jeera, cloves, ilachi. Place a handi pan on low flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now add onions and fry them until they are golden brown. Once they are golden brown, take them into a plate. Now take a bowl full of water, add all the spices, add mint and coriander leaves, add salt. Add salt as much as the water should taste like a sea water. Once the water is boiled well, now add soaked basmati rice. Boil it on high flame for 3 minutes. Later, strain the starch. Take the marinated prawns, add the leftover oil, crush the fried onions and add to the marination. Mix it properly. Now take the same handi, add the marinated prawns, and spread it across evenly. Now add half-boiled basmati rice. Spread it evenly. Add rice in layers. Now add lemon juice, colored milk, add few mint leaves, add leftover crushed fried onions. Now place it on stove and you can close a small hole with the cloth. Let the biryani cook for 10 minutes on high flame and 10 minutes on medium flame. Place a heavy weight on the lid so that the biryani gets nice steam. Set the biryani aside for 15 to 20 minutes before you take off from the stove. Now the yummy delicious prawns dum biryani is ready. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more recipes.